Hi everyone, it's Matt here from Carwow, and we're going to have a drag race between this, a Jaguar I-Pace, that, which is an Audi e-tron, the thing beyond it, which is a Tesla Model 3 Performance, and we've also got a good old-fashioned internal combustion engine car to keep them nice and honest. It's the new Toyota Supra. So this Jaguar I-Pace, it has a 90 kilowatt hour battery, it's got 400 horsepower, 700 newton meters of torque, it's four-wheel drive with dual motors, and it weighs 2.2 tons. That Audi e-tron, it's got a 95 kilowatt hour battery, 406 horsepower, 664 newton meters of torque. It's got dual motors, four-wheel drive, but it weighs 2.5 tons. The Tesla Model 3 Performance, well, it's got a 75 kilowatt hour battery, it's got 450 horsepower and 640 newton meters of torque, and it's got dual motors and four-wheel drive, but it only weighs just over 1.8 tons. The Toyota Supra, meanwhile, it has a good old-fashioned 3-litre straight-six turbo from a BMW with 340 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox and it's rear-wheel drive. It is lighter though, it's about 1,560 kilos, so that could play in its advantage. Anyway, let's get on with the drag race, but before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll say a lot but do, and hit the bell icon so you're alerted when we make a new upload so you don't miss any of these drag races. And also make sure that the settings for your mobile phone is turned on so it'll accept updates from YouTube. Otherwise, even if you hit that bell icon, you won't receive the notifications, and we know some of you out there haven't got that setting fixed on your phone because our analytics tell us that. So there. Anyway, enough waffle, Matthew. Get on with the blooming race, eh? Here we go.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
Oh, that e-tron was off quick. That Tesla's shut off now. Where is that Toyota? So the Toyota's ahead of the e-tron, but I'm ahead of the Toyota. Can I beat it to the finish line? That Tesla's definitely won. But yes. Oh, never been so pleased about second place in all my life. This thing is quick actually. Not as quick as the Tesla, but we all know about Teslas and their performance. It's good that it beat that Supra though. e-tron, it's got more power than this, but it's a heavy bugger. Don't know why they've made it so heavy. I suppose it's got a bit more battery. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla Model 3 Performance did the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. The Jaguar I-Pace took 12.6 seconds. The Toyota Supra, 12.8 seconds. And the poor Audi e-tron took 13.5 seconds. Now, all you Supra fanboys may have seen that car do a 12-second time over the standing quarter mile in one of our previous races. But that's the thing with rear-drive petrol sports cars. You can't always get a perfect start. And on this occasion, the Toyota struggled off the line, costing it time. This is less of an issue with electric cars that have instant power and all-wheel drive. Just the way it is. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Obviously, all the electric cars just in drive. The Toyota's in drive and in normal mode as well, as if you're just cruising around. So I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this thing's quick. Oh, the Tesla again. But this time, the e-tron stayed ahead of the Toyota. I'm going to keep on going. Keep going, guys. Keep going. The Toyota's going to come past me at 128 miles an hour. Can it catch that Tesla before we run out of runway? Can it? It's so close. I don't know who I'm talking to. I think the Tesla's bottled out. Did the Supra come past the Tesla?
No, probably another half a mile and I would have had him.
So, there you go. Even with a mile and a half, you ain't catching that Tesla. Autobahn, maybe. Everywhere else, no. Okay, final test. Brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. See which car can stop in the shortest distance. This is going to be massively affected by weight, and the Toyota has the advantage because it's not having to lug around a big load of batteries. That e-tron's going to be in a right load of trouble. It's really heavy, but let's see how it plays out. Here comes the line. What? 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 Oh my God. This Jaguar got destroyed, and I wasn't late on the brakes. I'm surprised by the Audi. I thought it was going to lose because it's so much heavier. Tesla won it though. Second place was the Toyota. Tesla actually wins on price as well. It's the cheapest, £50,000. Supra, £53,000. This Jaguar is £64,000. And the Audi, 70 grand. So yeah, it's a definite loss in these performance tests for the Audi and a definite win for the Tesla. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this picked up so... Did you hit the brake instead, Ross?
Yeah, that was both cock